Yeah, hi guys, it's Martin from Design for You and Newbie Affiliate. And in this video, we're going to actually show you how to get a website live and up and running in just about 10 minutes. It's a 4-step process, and we're going to show you every one of them step by step. Watch this video right to the very end and you'll see it happen live. Okay, so we're ready here. Before we start, just make sure that you subscribe to this channel and obviously hit the notifications bell so then you get notified every time we do another video. Okay, so we're straight into it. Now, step one. Okay, step one, we need to find somewhere where we are actually going to host and have our website sitting. Okay, so I'm going to give you a link below this video. So right below this video here, there is a link and it will take you to this page here. And this page is a site called Wealthy Affiliate. And all you have to do is fill in your name, address, and a password and a user and get a free account. That's right, a free account, no credit card required. And you'll then be able to go and create your first website. Okay, so that's step one. We want to head over and after we've done that, you will come in to Wealthy Affiliate, which is what it will look like here. Obviously, fill in your profile with a bit of a description and your profile image, and then you want to head to the websites tab. Okay, this will be where all your websites will be sitting, and obviously you won't have one to begin with, but you will be allowed to create one for free. So all we now need to do now is step two is go and choose a domain name and a theme for your website. We now need to just click the plus sign. We then need to choose the on a free domain tab and it will drop down here, and then we need to put our site name in. So we're going to call this one All About Dogs, and as you can see, it's available. That's great. So we put our title in here, All About Dogs, and then we scroll down and we need to choose our actual design. There's loads of designs to choose from here. You can choose any of these, but what I'd recommend is choose Nirvana, and there it is there, and just then choose this theme, and hey presto, we're now ready to build our site. So let's just click the button and let Wealthy Affiliate build and get our site live on the internet. Okay, so that's just finalizing now. So that's just taken just a few seconds just to do that. Okay, so as you can see, this is now done. Our website is installed and ready to go. So we now need to just log in now. Okay, and with this theme, it says about installing a certain plugin. So you just literally install that there and click install. And then you can return to the dashboard. Okay, so if you go down here then into appearance and the Nirvana settings, everything here that is editable is in these settings here. So you've got the layout, there's obviously headings, there's the presentation pages, the text settings. So you can change all the different fonts, all the different sizes to every area of the website. And according to this, you can do all the colors as well. So you can pick and choose which colors and make it totally brandable to your particular website. There's loads of other bits and pieces here as well, including social media settings and that as well. But we're going to now go on to step 3, which is upload your Thrive Architect plugin. Okay, so we're going to head over to our plugin section. So we scroll down, head to plugins, head over to add new, and then upload plugin, and then we need to choose the file. So on my download, so we'll just search for Thrive, and there we are, Thrive Product Manager. So open that one up and install now, and then we need to activate it. Okay, so you now see down here on the left hand side we have Product Manager. So we open that up and we need to log into my Thrive account. Okay, we've successfully connected my account, and as you can see, I have loads of the different Thrive products in here. So we're going to actually install Thrive Architect. So click on that, and we can actually take off the Thrive Leads. We don't need that one, so just the one Thrive Architect, and we now need to just upload it. Okay, so we're now ready to use. So we now want to go over and go to Pages and Add New, and we just want to put Home, and then we click Publish, and then we want to click this button here which says Launch Thrive Architect. And now we're ready, and we're going to actually do step 4, which is to edit your actual website. Okay, so this is our default theme that's come up here in the editor. So we want to change that, and we're going to change the template, and we are going to actually, let's have a look. Let's look for home pages. So we want home pages there. So click that box there. That gives us the home pages. We can then have a look. Okay, let's choose this restaurant theme. Okay, this can be any theme, any one you like. So we just select the template and click choose template. Okay, so we now have our template. So we're going to just do a couple of edits on that, and you've got to remember that the whole of this template is totally editable. So if we then just click on the text here, we can change that. We can put make it secrets, and we can put in here secrets to a healthier and happier dog. Okay, so straight away we've now got a different title. Okay, we can also get rid of boxes. So if we didn't want the phone number up here, we just click on the little rubbish bin to the far right and the restaurant, so we can get rid of all of that. Okay, we've also got a background image here, which is obviously restaurant. Well, we need to obviously try and change that. So we go to background style, and it's obviously got a image there. Click on it, and we can change that image. So if we then select file, and we can upload some images, so let's go to our desktop. We've got some images. Okay, let's choose this image. Okay, so let's just insert that, and as you can see, we've now got that image behind. Okay, what I want to do as well is actually change. We can apply that and then look at the gradient, and we need to actually change the gradient. Okay, so we need to change the gradient, so we move along here to the gradient, and we want to spin this to 1, and we obviously want this at about 50%. In fact, we'll probably go to 30%, and we can apply it. And we can just change that to white. There we go. And we can obviously get rid of that box in the middle there, and then we can select the height, so we can pull this down. There we go, and we can click on the button there and drop that down as well. There we go, that's dropping that button all the way down. There we go, we can just save the work there. And straight away we've got a different header there. We can obviously put some different text in here. So that could just be welcome. And this could be and then we just need to add a couple more images. Which we can upload from our desktop. There we go, they're uploading. can insert that. In fact, we can make him bigger. There we go, so just make it bigger. And then we've got a couple here. There we go, you can obviously add in your text and various different things, and as you can see, if you want to get rid of certain items, we can just click on them and get rid of them. We can also add items in by literally clicking on the plus there, and you've got all these different elements. So you've got buttons, you've got text, you've got images, columns, contact boxes, absolutely everything you could need, and all you do is literally click on it and drag it to where you want it to go. Okay, and then you can just add in your text there. Okay, so that's it. This is a very quick video. Obviously you can spend time now obviously creating your site, but as you can see, the site is now up and it is live on the internet, and we've done that in a very short space of time. So without further ado, just carry on now and follow the process, and you'll have your website up very quickly indeed. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow, it's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.